Welcome to Crypto for the Rest of Us. I put on this show 6 days a week, excluding Sunday, to give one tip, tool, or coin analysis on crypto. I'm a retail investor. Don't do what I do. Informational purposes only. Let's talk Ethereum. Today's July 23rd. This is very important. Very important because I want to point something out here. Ethereum, as you all know, second in market cap, 400 billion. Great. It's huge. Been around for a long time. I'm pretty sure you know everything about it. Last run, it was about 4,800. Now it's around 3,400, but this is really a short time span in terms of going forward. These spot exchanges are incredibly important. Here's just one bank, I think it was Citi, saying that they thought that the ETF net inflows are likely to be 30-35% of Bitcoin equivalents. That's about roughly $5 billion might go into these ETFs. In other words, money buying Ethereum over the next 6 months. Two things I want to point out about this. As you may or may not know, a spot ETF means for every dollar that goes in, a dollar of that commodity, in this case Ethereum, needs to be bought. That's huge. Now, the person purchasing the ETF is not obtaining the underlying asset, but they are obtaining exposure to it. Now, what's interesting about that is, it's my belief, well, I don't think this is really a belief, I think this is just how it works. Most people are not technical when you talk about a large group of people investing. So you may have, whether it's large institutions or whoever it may be, they may not be able to purchase the actual Ethereum on an exchange and put it into a wallet. And that may be because of all kinds of reasons governing how they do and don't invest, whether it be pension money or you name it. And then there are individuals who just don't want to deal with getting a wallet and trying to put money into it and all of these things, but yet they want to diversify and they want to get into Bitcoin, Ethereum, the top 2 market cap cryptos and other things. They can do it now through a spot ETF. That takes a very small market of people, those that are technically savvy, and now expands it to a huge market of people, because guess what? They don't have to use MetaMask or Crypto.com or Coinbase or any of those things. They can literally just go through their Fidelity account or their IBKR or whatever it is and purchase the ETF. That easy. That's huge. Now, for me, if you're like me, you probably are, if you're watching this, you're someone who wants to own that actual asset. You want to purchase it on exchange and put it into your own wallet. I self-custody Ether. I believe that over time, let's say that during this bull run, I look to get 5 to 10x return if I'm lucky on some of these cryptos I'm investing in. I've been talking about artificial intelligence the last week. I'll continue to do that. But today I wanted to take a breather for a moment and look at Ethereum, because Ethereum, from what I've seen and from my use of things like Aave, using it for loans and using it as collateral, it provides the highest loan to value for collateral, a decent staking APY, not huge, but more importantly, I can use it to over-collateralize loans. I can obtain loans through Aave just like anyone else if you have that Ether yourself, self-custodied, so that you can then stake it on a platform, and then no credit checks, no background checks, no dealing with your income, no talking to anyone, just stake and then take out whatever. In this case, I think USDT is best. I'm going to have a show talking about how to do the loan process so you don't make huge mistakes and end up losing money. But to me, I look at Ethereum like a business owner looks at the stock of their company. They don't want to sell the stock of their company. They want to keep it and they want to take loans against it. I believe Ethereum, for the long term, is not going to grow as fast as some of these other cryptos in the AI space or the RWA space or whatever, but I think it's going to be a steady long-term growth. That's what I believe. I believe in holding it directly and keeping it in your own custody or wallet. However, what's really interesting to me is the fact that this is now available to the world. We don't have to wait for people to onboard onto things like Coinbase and start figuring out how to buy Ethereum when they can simply just have their financial advisor say, you know what? Would you like to have about a 2% or a 1% exposure to cryptocurrency? I would. Okay, we're going to have to get a MetaMask wallet. Wait, a what? Okay, forget it. Great. We're just going to go ahead and buy these 2 ETFs, one for Bitcoin and one for Ether, and soon maybe Solana and others. So this, I believe, is huge for the short-term, long-term market. What I do, not telling you what to do, is I self-custody it. And I believe I will probably have it till the day I die, and it will be one of the best tools to use to obtain loans and to use as collateral for all sorts of investments. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and let's make generational wealth together in crypto. Tomorrow, I will once again start and finalize some of my reviews of artificial intelligence coins.